everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna go on an overview of how to create a elastic beanstalk application. So let's go ahead and create the application. I'm going to name it demo environment for now. Create. And then we need to create the environment for this particular application. I am going to choose PHP, but you can choose any programming language you would like to implement it on. So I'll just go with PHP for now. I'm gonna name the version v1, and I'm gonna upload the demo project which I created. It's just a sample PHP project which I created. And then as you can see, there's a create a use new service role, create and use a new service role. So this will create a service role for the elastic beanstalk. It's a service role pretty much, but as you can see that we also need to create an IAM role. So let's go ahead and create an IAM role. So roles, create role. Let's choose EC2 instance. Next, I am going to type here elastic beanstalk, and I am going to choose the work attire, the web tire, and the multi-container Docker. So these would be good enough for now. So let's go ahead and create the role. Name this AWS elastic beanstalk EC2 role, and I'm gonna create the role. So as you see that the role is being created right here, and there are 3 policies which are attached to this particular role. Now we need to go back and refresh, and you can see that it is auto populated when you refresh it. So let's create next. Let's click next. Then you can choose the VPC, the default one, or the VPC which you want to choose, and then you can choose the subnet which you want your application to be in. Let's choose next. Let's choose general SSD 3, and for auto scaling I'm just gonna choose the single instance for now, and it should be on demand instance. Once this is created, we can go ahead and click next, and this is the review, and let's create the application. So we need to wait till the application is up and running. I will come back once it's up and running. Yep. So now we have the elastic beanstalk application running. So let's go ahead and test the application. So now it is forbidden, but we need to go to the path, and you can see hello world. So we have successfully deployed our application to EC2 instance. We have also EC2 instance using elastic beanstalk, and we have also added the application. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that whenever you're creating an elastic beanstalk, it creates a cloud formation infrastructure for us, which is very helpful and handy for us to see what is happening with our elastic beanstalk application. So as you see, this is the stack which was being created, and these are the resources for it. So it's very helpful and handy for us to go over it, and if there are any issues, we can come to the cloud formations and we can look for those issues as well. So it's very handy. The other thing which you need to keep in mind when you're implementing elastic beanstalk application is that by default there is a load balancer which is already been created in the back. So you need to make sure that load balancer, if you have like an execution time which is 60 or maybe more, and if you need an execution time of an application which is more than 60, then you would have to change the configurations for the load balancers as well. So that's all which you need to know about elastic beanstalk. And if you guys like the video, please subscribe, like the video, and forward it to other people. Thank you so much.